for my Stackathon project, I worked with Three.js. I wanted to make a visualization tool based on audio input. So this is what I came up with. So I will. You should be able to hear some of the music. So I'll just show a couple of different songs so you can get an idea. I have a couple of songs that you can choose from, as well as the size of the display. So it's like the width of how many rows. So you can see it. And each song, like this is a pretty soft song, but if you do something that's definitely got more stuff going on, like this grungy, one of my favorite songs. They're really fun to watch. So what I did was I used Three.js, which is a JavaScript library used to create and display 3D graphics in a web browser. I specifically wanted to play around with audio. So in Three.js, they have audio loaders and audio analyzers that are based on the web audio API. So how it works is there are audio analyzer nodes, and it kind of creates a data of frequency, like a frequency data array. And I think I have 1,024 inputs in that array, so I have 1,024 cubes being represented. Not all of them are represented. They only show up if there's they hit a certain threshold of frequency. And for the animation, so Three.js also uses the native request animation frame. And so what that does is it says, hey, I'm ready, your browser, I'm ready to render something brand new in the screen. So I pass in a function, and in that function, I'm looking at that frequency data and then determining what that number is, and then affecting the height and the color of these different cubes. So a couple of wish lists so I was able to change the size of the display. And doing that was a little tricky because you have to clear out all the old data and re-render, and I wanted to do that without messing with the music. I wanted that to be pretty seamless. And then also changing the songs. I wanted that to be before, when I was having issues with it, it was just keep the old cubes, and then it just started layering on top of each other. So I would have to clear the scene out in order to load anything new. I wasn't able to start up this choose file, just running into a couple of issues of loading a file on the client side, but that's definitely my wish list, as well as beat detection. Beat detection is pretty tricky to do. There's no easy method of sound.beat, and then you get a fancy number of what that beat is. You can kind of see it happening, but I was very close, but didn't reach it yet.